everyone, John Haremza here. We're about 6 hours away from the calendar clicking over. I just wanted to take a moment and wish everyone a Happy New Year. If you're like me, you are so excited about the calendar clicking over to 2021. Yes, 2020 was a challenging year for a lot of people. I do feel incredibly grateful for being in the home-based business industry. The company I'm with has done extremely well in 2020, but we are so excited about 2021. I hope you are too. It's going to be an epic year, but I just want to express my sincere appreciation and gratitude to each and every one of you, especially all of those people that I've worked with. It's been a crazy, but a fun, exciting, challenging year, but 2021 is going to be epic. I am going full out, full on. It's going to be my best year ever. I hope it is going to be for you as well. 2021, everyone, 6 hours away.